Alright guys, in today's video we have the deluxe pin collection for Ascender Heroes. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Leonard and I do Pokemon and anime related content, especially vlogs. So hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned for more. Here's the Totodile promo, the Chikorita, and Tepig. Here's the pin. Time for the packs. So prices have been skyrocketing for products, and hopefully I can get more in future provided that the products have a cheaper price. It's very difficult to find prices either at MSRP or close to MSRP, so I'll look around and get more products for my personal collection especially. Do check out my Telegram channel for more updates on products, videos, and also trade shows. Darn. So far no hits. Can we get last pack magic? Grubbin, Reboot, Cynthia's Gibble, Pangoro, Team Rocket's Transceiver, Big Knight, Team Rocket's Ariana, Darunaka. Okay, we got a hit. Mega Gengar EX. Definitely putting this in my binder. Nice, that was a really good pin collection box. Hope we can get more pulls in future. Stay tuned for the next video.